Hey students, welcome back. It's great to see you again. And welcome to daily lesson number 4. Alright, so today's video is going to be a little bit shorter than the videos through this week because I'm going to go over a few things. Number 1, I'm going to go over what we're doing today, and then I'm going to give you a few expectations for submitting your essay online and what you should do. Okay, so let's go ahead and begin. So in front of you, you see the expository checklist, and we've used this before in class. I believe it was the last time we were doing an essay in class. I gave everybody one of these and a marker to go through the checklist, okay? So we're going to go ahead and jump in. This first part right here, the introduction, this is also known as the first paragraph, and we know that. So as you are going through your draft, getting ready for the final, make sure you have it side by side with your checklist. Of course, yours will be on the blank paper. So have it side by side with your checklist. I uploaded this onto the team so you can have it on the screen and you can go through and start checking things off on your paper, okay? So it's going to be, let me move that. It's going to be like this. So you're going to go through, you're going to say, did I indent? Well, let me check. Did I indent? Yes. Do I have my hook? Yes. And you keep on going. Did I restate the prompt? Also, the central idea statement. Yes. Did I state my reasons? Oh no, maybe that's something I didn't do. Okay, and I would stop right there. And I would come back to my draft and I would start making corrections, right? And then I come back, okay, fixed it. Moving on to reason number 1, which is also the second paragraph. Did I indent? Are my transition words there? Now, for the topic sentence, if you do not have your transition word, you can't have a topic sentence. So it's kind of hard to do one and not the other. So if you have one of these, you know that you have a topic sentence. Do I have details? Maybe I don't have details. Maybe I need some more sensory details along with details about the reason. So a place where you can give details about the reason is when you are explaining the reason or when you are giving an example, right? So go back and work on that. Okay, now I did it. Am I staying on topic within the reason? So this one is like, if my reason is, well, you know, one reason saving money is important to me is because I want to buy a car. And then I say, I also enjoy playing basketball on weekends. Am I staying on topic? No, not really. Not at all, actually. So staying on topic is really, really important. Okay, so for these 2 paragraphs, it's going to be the same thing. You need all the same things that you have in the second paragraph in the third paragraph. So these need to all be checked off as well. Transition words. Now the transition word in the conclusion might be a little bit different. It won't say, you know, one reason or another reason. This is where you're making it, you know, coming to a close. You can say in conclusion. You can say all in all. You can say as you can see. I have uploaded the transition words anchor chart up to the files in the general section of our class teams. So if you go to our class, you hit general, then you go to the top and it'll say files. You will find the transition words anchor chart that you guys have in your writing journals. Okay? Restating the prompt, which is also restating the central idea statement. This is so important, okay? And so like yesterday when we were doing identifying, I identified my central idea, and then I also identified that I said it again. So I can go ahead and check that off. And then ending on a hope or wish for the future, or dream or wonder like we've done before. Make sure that you have that. Once you have all of these things checked off, you are ready to copy it onto your lined paper. Now let's talk about this for a little bit. So let me make the screen a little bit bigger. So I have already received some students that have turned in their assignment already, but there was nothing there. Also, I really don't, I want you guys to try and wait for the day that it is due. That way, you know, I'm getting everyone's assignments at the same time and I can start going in order, grading them. So today during class time, I want you to draft, revise, and start on the lines paper. That way on Friday you can turn it in. You can probably turn it in the morning. I can get it graded. I can give you some feedback, and then we can move on. You will have until 11:59 p.m. on Friday, which is tomorrow, to turn it in. So I really want to make sure that you guys are reading through the class instructions before you start to do anything. Make sure that you're reading through it. That way you're not confused about something, okay? So, things to remember. Get your checklist done today. If you don't have a check somewhere, make sure that you go back and revise it. Or if you think you have all the checks, have someone else nearby at home check it with you. Say, okay, I want you to look for this, and you show them. If you can show them and you found it, then you know you have it. But remember, do not start on the lined paper until you have all of your checks. Now, when it comes to submitting the assignment, on the assignment tab, you can upload a picture, or if you want to type it out on a Word document, you can. However, if you're not really good at typing, or you're not super fast at typing, and you're like, you know what, I just want to take a picture, that's fine with me. You can take a picture and upload it onto the assignments. However, do not submit the assignment if it is blank, or if you have not uploaded a picture or a document, okay? Now, if you're unsure if the document went through, you can let me know, Ms. Ramirez, in a message. Ms. Ramirez, I'm not sure if my picture or document got attached. Can you check? I can go and check. And if it wasn't, you can send it to me in a message on Dojo, or you can send it on a message through Teams. So those are your options. Make sure when you're going to go and submit your assignment that you read through the assignment instructions. There is 2 videos on there that show you how to take a picture and turn it into a document on your phone, or there's one that shows you how to upload a picture on Teams. So after the video, make sure you answer the poly question before you start anything else. Answer the poly question and then get started on your writing. And I wish all of you guys the best of luck. I'm very excited to read all of your writing. So I will talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.